Hey lovelies, welcome back to my video. If you are new here, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is an iGel beauty haul. I took advantage of their 60% off sale. So I'm just going to show you some of the things I got and do a little bit of swatching. So the first thing I'm going to show is their polygels. I did not know that they had polygels. So they have quite a few nudes. Unfortunately, some of the nudes I wanted were out of stock, so I ended up getting 2 colors, and then the other 3 are glow in the dark colors, and these are 30 milliliter tubes. So the first color that I am going to swatch is Warm Nude. And what I noticed right off the bat with this polygel is that it is really firm. So temperature does come into play with that. It is fall slash early, well, fall. Yeah, it's fall. So it's like 60 degrees. So my house isn't warm. I don't have the heater on. So it's about like 70 degrees in my house. I don't have the heater on yet, but basically the polygel is a little bit firmer based on the weather. What the other thing that I did notice is that it's not sticky at all. What I used for the slip solution was a solution that came in one of my McCart kits, and it worked pretty well. So it's a firm polygel, but it's not sticky. So I definitely liked that. The second color I am swatching is dark pink, and a pretty light pink color, even though it says dark pink. So I'm not sure how light the actual light pink is, but I do like this color as well. And then the 3 glow in the dark colors that I am swatching in order that I'm swatching, the first one is soft pink, the second one is bright pink, and the third one is orange. So you'll see in this haul that I did get a lot of glow in the dark stuff. I don't know, I've never used any of their glow in the dark gel polishes or acrylics, so I wanted to try those out, and because everything was 60% off, I thought it was a good time to take advantage and then try out some new products. I'm not quite sure how long their sale is going to be good for, but definitely check out 2 of my other iGel beauty hauls. I will link those in the cards above if you are trying to figure out what colors you want and so forth. So I will link the other 2 iGel beauty hauls in the cards above. And I've said before, and I've used their acrylic, I featured their acrylic in some of my videos before. This actually is a pretty good acrylic, especially for their price, especially when they have their 60% off sale. One of my favorite black acrylics is the Black by iGel Beauty. I use that one and it doesn't marble at all. Sure, some of their acrylics do marble. Some of their acrylics are, well, everything's marketed as like a 2-in-1, right? But if you're on the website, some of the acrylics say that it's especially for dipping. Really quickly, these are all the colors swatched here, and I am going to show you what they look like glow in the dark. So from left to right, that is the soft pink, the one in the middle is bright pink, and the one on the right is orange. So I got 2 gel polishes that are glow in the dark. The first one that I'm swatching is Champagne and Roses, and that's the light pink. The second one I'm going to swatch is Tutti Frutti, and I'm going to show you how those glow in the dark. So these are pretty thick, and I did 1 coat coverage on both of them. And also it might be a little bit thicker. The gel polish might be a little bit thicker because, because it is pretty cold in the house. So Champagne is the first one and Tutti Frutti was the second one. Those glow okay. I didn't get as bright of a glow as I thought I would with the gel polishes. The polygels did give me a better glow. So really quickly, I am going to swatch a few acrylics. I didn't get too many acrylics this time. Like I said, I will link the videos of me swatching my previous purchases from iGel Beauty so you can get more of a range of color from my previous videos. So, but this video I didn't, for this purchase, I didn't do too many acrylics. So the first one I'm swatching is Nude Bar, and I also got this in the gel polish. So their gel polishes come with the regular polish as well, depending on if you want to do regular polish on your toes or use the regular polish for stamping. So the gel polish is on the left and the acrylics on the right. So the color match is pretty good. I didn't swatch the regular polish, but the second color I got was another nude. It's called Cozy Cashmere, and I will show a comparison between Nude Bar and Cozy Cashmere. For me, I think Cozy Cashmere had more pink in it than the Nude Bar did, but I will show you guys those side by side in a second, and just you can let me know what you think. But I definitely think the Cozy Cashmere had a little bit more pink tones to it than the Nude Bar. But like I was saying, on their website, they do let you know if the powder is better suited for dip or for acrylic. I didn't do dip powder swatches because I'll probably mainly use these as acrylic, but in my other videos I did show the dip powder, the gel polish, and swatched as acrylic, so you could check out those videos. And here's the comparison. The Nude Bar is on top and the Cozy Cashmere was on the bottom. And again, I think the Cozy Cashmere has more pink in it than it does the Nude Bar. Anyway, so I wanted to try out their clear just to see how clear it was. So I'm just gonna swatch it and then just put it to the side and let it dry. And then once it's dry, then we'll kind of see how clear it dries. So it picks up pretty fine. It moves pretty fine. I didn't have a problem with any of the regular acrylics, the clear, the nudes, or the color ones I'm about to show you. I did get 2 glow in the dark ones, and I will talk about those when we get to those. So this one is Cherry Bomb. I also got the gel polish as well for this one, and I'll show you those swatches side by side in a second. So this color Cherry Bomb did not marble at all, which I was really excited about. And this is a true red. This is a perfect name, Cherry Bomb. A really pigmented red, and yeah, it didn't marble or there was no color separation at all. I did make sure to give it a good stir before I swatched, which is highly recommended. I think when you're shaking them versus mixing them, I think it's better to mix them with a spatula or something before you use them instead of just shaking them. Just my personal opinion. So this color is called We Belong Together, and it's finally back in stock. I've been wanting this color since my first order with iGel, and it's finally back in stock. And I also got the gel polish to match with it as well. And again, I will show you that swatch in a couple seconds. And with this color, I did not have any marbling either. Good application, wasn't sticking to my brush or anything like that. I did hear someone say that if the acrylic's sticking to your brush, that your brush is too wet. I don't know how true that is. My acrylic users, let me know in the comments down below if that is true. So the next 2 colors I am going to show are glow in the dark. This purple is called Violet Volt, and I did have a lot of marbling with this color. So this one would probably work better as dip. I did not go back and check their website, nor do I remember what the website said when I ordered, if it was better as a dip or it was okay as a 2-in-1. So definitely when you are ordering from them, their website, definitely pay attention to that. Don't be like me, because I did not pay attention to it at all. Overall, it's still a really pretty color. I think it'll be fine as a dip, and you can still use it as an acrylic. You just have to work with it a little bit more just than normal acrylic. So yeah. And the pink that I'm about to swatch is called Pink Overdose. It's a glow in the dark as well, and I did stir this up before I used it. And you can kind of tell when you open some powders if it's like it needs to be mixed or if there's like any separation. Sometimes you can tell. This one did not marble as much as the purple, but it still marbled a little bit. But overall, I do like how vibrant those two colors are. So I did not, they don't have matching gel polish for these glow powders, which is fine. But I was kind of disappointed with the glow. You could, like, if you blinked, you literally missed the glow for these two colors. So yeah, I didn't love those two. Anyways, guys, what I also got from them was 24 karat. I already have the acrylic for this, so I just decided to get the gel polish and the lacquer. That's what it looks like. So it just has gold flakes in it. And then I also got their blooming effect gel and then their foil transfer. And that's just me showing you how the acrylic dried. It didn't dry too clear, but usually when you do a little bit of filing and you do your top coat, then you can see exactly how clear the acrylic is going to be. So that was the foil transfer and the blooming effect foil that I used. So I will definitely link the other iGel Beauty videos in the cards above. Definitely check that out. Also, if it is before December 11th, I do have an open giveaway on my channel, and that is for a Macart Polygel kit. So check out that video, which is also linked in the cards as well. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you spending your time with me, and I will see everyone back soon for another video.